I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Cream Jehi Banas. First, gather your essential ingredients: ripe bananas, heavy cream, and your preferred sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Make sure your bananas are perfectly ripe for the best taste and consistency. You'll also need a clean mixing bowl and either a hand whisk or an electric mixer to combine everything smoothly. Let's get started on this delightful dessert. Now let's prepare the base. Start by mashing 2 to 3 ripe bananas thoroughly in your mixing bowl until they form a smooth, lump-free paste. In a separate bowl, whip 1 cup of cold, heavy cream until it forms soft, airy peaks. This creates the light and fluffy texture we want. Carefully fold the mashed bananas into the whipped cream, ensuring they are well combined without deflating the cream. This gentle mixing is key. To enhance the flavor, add about 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener and a small pinch of cinnamon to the banana and cream mixture. Stir gently until all the ingredients are evenly distributed and the mixture is uniform. Once combined, cover the bowl and refrigerate the Cream Jehi Banas for at least 30 minutes. Chilling allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set slightly, making it perfectly refreshing. Your delicious Cream Jehi Banas are now ready to enjoy. Serve them chilled in individual dessert bowls for a delightful treat. You can garnish with a few slices of fresh banana, a sprinkle of chopped nuts, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce for an extra touch. This simple yet elegant dessert is perfect for any occasion. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.